Hello kids, today I need to show you how to make slime. So let's start. First we need some glue. And then we need some activator. And then we need some color. And then we need some glitter. And now we need some decorations. And now we need some container to put the slime in. And the last thing is a bowl and a spoon. So let's start making slime. Let's add some glue first. Let's open the cap and add. Ooh, pretty glue. I think that's enough glue. And now we can put some activator, just a bit. And then we need to add some color to make it pretty. Ooh, look at that nice color. Oh, it's pretty. And then we need to just mix it. Ooh, look at that. It's so pretty. Looks like red or pink. Ooh, it just looks so pretty. Am I right, kids? And now we can put some activator in it and now mix it again so we can make some slime. And then put the activator again, mix it again. And it's so fun to make some slime. I love to make slime. Do you wanna make slime too? You can also put it on the spoon and put it up. Ooh, it's so fun to mix too. If your arm is tired, then it's okay. You can take a few minutes break. Activator more to make some slime. And it's so much pretty. Oh, it's so nice. And you know, the color red, of course. And ooh, so pretty. I love this color of slime. I have more colors too. But today we are just doing this color of slime. And it's so pretty. So I think I need to keep it, this slime here. But the home slime with what you make is a little bit sticky. But in the shop it's not sticky at all. It's also stick to your hands, which you do in the home. But it's still fun to make some slime. If you need to mix the slime about the activator, then you need to mix it harder and harder, so much hard. And it's so much fun to mix. And make sure do your sleeves up where you are making slime, because if you don't do it, then the sleeve will not good. So let's add some glitter or anything. Let's add something else in our slime. I think we should mix it a little bit more then. Let's put the activator in there just a bit more. And I think is pretty about the glitters and decoration, but it's still super pretty. It's not even make yet, but it's still pretty nice. Ooh, it's so pretty. And I love all the colors. But I don't know which colors if you mix all of them. Not, I think red. But this is a pretty red color. The side looks like pink, and the whole color looks red. And another day, I can show you how to make activator. Let's add some just bit more activator, and now let's mix. So fun to mix. Oh, it's making the slime. See? Oh, it's making. And so much making, right? I think it's already mixed. Now let's even mix it more. Ooh, mixing helps make the slime. Now let's add some glitter in it. Ooh, and now let's mix it so the glitter can go everywhere. Oh, it's so pretty. I just like the slime. It's just so pretty. Am I right? And I have more glitter, but I think I should use this one because they're lower. And now let's go to the decoration. It's so pretty, right? Some both. I have more decoration too. Ooh, now let's mix it so that decoration can go everywhere. It is so much pretty. Am I right? Ooh, it's so pretty. I think you teach how to make slime too. You can make it in home or anywhere you want to make some slime. It's not sticking with yet because I made a good slime. Because it's not sticking that way. Which slime I make it that will not stick on your hand so much. But it sure stick. Now let's play with the slime. It can stretch very hardly and longer, but it's still pretty. Oh, I have another slime which can stretch it even harder. There, but that for the shop. You can take for the shop any slime you want. Also, that ones will not stick and go even harder and longer. Looks like a big snake if you do that. But you can make in home if you don't want the stretchy one. You can take any color you want. Now let's save it in this container to play with it with our fingerprints in there. You can play outside too with the fingerprints with it. But look at it. It's so pretty in there, right? It's so pretty too. Now let's put the cap so it will not dry. And it's so pretty, right? Now there is our slime. Some blue, some black glitter. And it's just so much pretty. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.